Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Sean and we're here unboxing the Air Max 97 Premium Black and White colorway. These will retail for $170, which is only $10 more than your usual Air Max 97. And with the extra $10, you get more detail as well as versatility. With most Air Max 97s, you get a full-length visible Max Air unit along the outsole. You also get a wave-inspired design along the upper as well. So a little bit of history about the Air Maxes. They dropped in fall of 1997 for $150. They were designed by Christian Trescher, who also designed the Air Zoom Spiridons. The Air Max 97 was the first shoe to introduce the hidden lacing system. The Air Max 1 was the first shoe that had a visible air sole unit. The Air Max 97 was the first Air Max to have full-length visible Max Air unit along the outsole. With the premium version, you get an updated look as well as updated materials for a long-lasting durability. You have an embroidered Nike branding instead of a Nike swoosh that's on the midsole, and you have an embroidered Nike swoosh on the mudguard. With the premium, you have Air Max branding along the entire tongue as well as on the front tongue pull tab and the back pull tabs as well. With these extra premium details, it really gives an elevated gym look. It's definitely not your normal Air Max 97. You can definitely transition this from a gym shoe to an everyday shoe to a night out shoe. Also dropping for $170, you have the Air Max 95 Premium that also boasts the same premium look and feel. You get a premium update with the leather as well as the mesh, and you have more Nike branding along the midsole, the tongue, as well as on the pull tab. So the Air Max 97 and the Air Max 95 are quintessential pieces to have in your collection. They're both black and white, both boast small details here and there that give that basic black and white shoe an elevated look, and these could easily be a staple in anyone's collection. The small Nike details really give it extra character more than just your basic average black and white shoe.